If you've ever found yourself needing to delete work items or even entire spaces in Jira, but later wished you could bring them back, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to delete work items in a Jira space, track what's been deleted, and most importantly, how to restore them if you need to. By the end of this video, you'll know how to manage your Jira workspaces confidently, with the peace of mind knowing that mistakes aren't permanent. Let's jump in and get started right away. First, we'll look at how you can delete a work item from a space. So open your Jira project and navigate to the space where your work item lives. Take a moment to double-check you're in the right location, as Jira can have lots of similar-looking spaces. It's easy to get turned around if you're juggling multiple projects. Now, scroll or search to locate the work item you want to delete. Once you've found it, hover over the item and you'll see a little icon with 3 vertical dots. Sometimes we call this the meatball menu. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu appears. From here, you'll see an option to delete the item. Go ahead and click that. Jira doesn't just let you delete valuable work with a single click, which is a great safeguard. It'll prompt you to type out the word delete to confirm your action. This extra step helps prevent accidental deletions, so make sure you type delete exactly as it appears. Just like double locking a door, this confirmation is Jira's way of making sure you're really certain. Now, maybe you need to delete not just an item, but an entire space. The process is very similar. Beside the space name, look for the 3-dot menu again. Click it, and then choose the delete option. Be aware, deleting a whole space means all its work items and data will be gone from the main view, so pause for a second and be sure you're ready to move forward. If you are, continue with the prompts Jira gives you. But let's say you've deleted a space, or maybe you just want to double-check what's been removed in the past. Here's where Jira's Trash and Restore feature comes in. In the lower left of your Jira homepage, you'll see a bin icon labeled Trash. Click on the Trash area, and you'll get a list of spaces or work items you've deleted recently. This is like a safety net, catching anything you might regret removing. Take a moment to look through the list. If you see the space or item you want to bring back, you're just a couple of clicks away from restoring it. All you have to do now is hover over the deleted space in Trash, click the 3-dot menu again, and select Restore. Jira will work a little behind the scenes, but within moments your space is back. Just like pulling something out of the recycling bin before collection day. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds for everything to show up. Sometimes Jira just needs to refresh, and that's all there is to it. Deleting and restoring items and spaces in Jira is straightforward once you know where to look. Remember, Jira's Trash feature is there for those oops moments, and it means you can work boldly without fear of losing something forever. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about Jira, or you ran into something unexpected, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. And for more practical tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.